Reddit is the best platform to get big views on your content and big shares on your content. Reddit is the self-proclaimed front page of the internet. All media professionals follow Reddit. Everybody who writes news articles follow Reddit, and it is a way to blow a video up. I've done it before. Overwatch is a fighting game. Someone on my team, Jonathan Moxness, produced this video. It has 1.2 million views right now, and I promoted it through my Reddit account, and it got covered on Kotaku, on Polygon, and every major gaming publication, and it got over 1 million views. This post blew up, but it wasn't just because I promoted on Reddit and I just spammed content. There's a good way to do it that really works. Let's get into it. Reddit is a tight-knit community of people that actually care about certain subject areas. So if you intend to go into Reddit just to spam your content or just to promote yourself, then you're going to lose on Reddit. That's not the way it works. Let me show you my profile. I've got 16,000 karma right now, and I pay for gold on Reddit to support the platform because I really love Reddit. It is one of my favorite social media platforms. And as you can see, I've got a ton of karma from a lot of different communities here. And this wasn't because I promoted myself or I was trying to get something out of that community. It's because I constantly had a strategy to give value to a specific subreddit and then occasionally promote my content if I felt that it gave value to that particular community. And that's precisely what I did with this Overwatch as a fighting game video. This wasn't the first post I made on this subreddit. I ended up getting Reddit gold like 3 times, gilded on this post because I promoted this amazing video. There it is right there. But I had posted tons and tons and tons here before I promoted this video. And so people recognize my content when I posted it on this subreddit, the content that we produce with TGN. They recognized my name and they knew that I was here because I actually cared about Overwatch in this particular case. That is the critical point to remember when you're looking to promote your content on Reddit. I like to use the 20-to-1 rule. Post 20 times to every 1 time that you promote yourself on a particular subreddit. Be sure to contact the moderators and to listen to what the rules are of that subreddit. But look what I'm doing right now on the new YouTuber subreddit. I'm just posting answers to help YouTubers for free. I haven't promoted my content once. I haven't posted a link to my YouTube video once. I haven't posted a link to my channel once. It's just me helping YouTubers all freaking day. I'm adding value to YouTubers here. That's what I'm doing right now. And if at some point I maybe could get benefit from my YouTube channel or get clout or something like that through the subreddit, then sure, maybe it'll come around to me. But the reason why it's called karma on Reddit is because it's just that. You pay it forward into the Reddit community and then you receive the benefits in return. And as a result, I've had people contact me through direct messages or through chat and they say, hey, look, I see all of this great value that you're adding to the new YouTuber subreddit. Or I saw that incredible video you posted on the Overwatch subreddit. I want to talk to you about perhaps doing a project, or I want to talk to you about promoting your content through my website. And then big things can happen like this. You get covered on Polygon, you get covered on Kotaku, or maybe you end up getting a new client, or maybe you end up getting a new person to collaborate with, right? Those are benefits that you'll receive in return of giving value first on Reddit, not trying to take value out of Reddit. Reddit will punish you for that, and you can get big views if you pay it forward in the literal sense of karma. How much karma do you have on Reddit? How much karma do you have on the internet overall? It should be all about paying it forward, and you will receive the benefits in the long term. You need to be long-term focused on YouTube, on Twitch, and through your podcast and through your online business. This is a long game. We're in the gold rush of the internet. It just started taking off. This is your opportunity to capitalize in the 3-year, 5-year, and 10-year timeline. And if you want me to help you grow your channel, to help you grow your strategy more one-on-one, I have a Patreon account to do just that. I've got insiders that I'm doing live streams and channel reviews and critiques for, and I'm helping on a daily basis. And I do one-on-one coaching as well for content creators and for entrepreneurs to help you grow your online business. It's going incredibly well so far. I have a lot of talented folks that I'm helping, and perhaps I could help you take your online video game to the next level. Link in the description below to that. Keep creating great content, keep paying it forward on the internet, and things like Reddit can pay off big for you in the long run.